TD Bank offers a range of credit cards designed to suit different spending habits, rewards preferences, and credit profiles. Among the top options is the TD Cash credit card, which provides straightforward cash back rewards. Cardholders earn 3% cash back on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on all other purchases. The card also offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases for the first 15 months, making it an excellent option for managing larger expenses or balancing transfers. There are no annual fees, which allows users to maximize their cash back without worrying about extra costs. The TD First Class Visa Signature credit card stands out for travelers and frequent spenders. It offers 3% cash back on dining and travel, 2% at grocery stores, and 1% on everything else. New cardholders can benefit from a welcome bonus of up to $200 cash back after meeting minimum spending requirements. Additionally, the card comes with travel perks including rental car insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage, providing extra value beyond the rewards program. For those looking to transfer balances or carry a balance over time, the TD Platinum credit card is a solid choice. It offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 18 months. After the promotional period, a variable APR applies, which is competitive compared to other cards in the market. This card is fee-free annually and provides additional features such as fraud protection, travel accident insurance, and emergency card replacement, making it ideal for everyday use while managing debt efficiently. TD Bank credit cards also provide access to online account management, mobile banking, and customizable alerts, ensuring cardholders can track spending, payments, and rewards easily. Each card is designed to meet specific financial goals, whether maximizing rewards, managing balances, or enjoying premium travel perks. Choosing the right TD Bank credit card depends on personal spending patterns and preferences, with options tailored for cash back, travel, and balance management.